to turn on or turn off brightness by 10% in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra. Open settings, swipe the notification panel, and on the settings icon, scroll your settings screen, find battery and device care, and then select battery and device care. Select battery and then tap power saving mode. To turn on, decrease brightness by 10%, tap switch until blue, or to turn off, tap switch until black or until white. And then if you want to run, tap turn on power saving mode, tap switch until blue. Now decrease brightness by 10% was turned on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.